Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the Kairi Indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator has a single line that, in a way, shows us the market momentum. When the values of this indicator are below 0 and negative, it indicates bearish momentum, and when it has positive values, this indicator shows bullish market momentum. For buy and sell signals, we can proceed as follows. When the market momentum becomes bullish.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
And reaches high values, we can expect a reversal and wait for a sell trade. And when the market momentum is bearish and shows negative values, we can wait for a trend reversal, and after getting confirmation, enter a buy trade. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. This indicator uses a moving average in its calculations, and in the first option, we can set the moving average period. The next option is the moving average calculation method, where we can choose from these 4 options. And the last option is the price type on which the calculations are performed. Let's watch a live test of this indicator together on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Let's watch a live test of this indicator together on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us in the comments section to help improve the indicators.